Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the campaign in Call of Duty Vanguard. First, navigate to the main menu after launching the game. From there, simply select the campaign option. You will then be prompted to choose your preferred difficulty, ranging from Recruit to Veteran. Once selected, you can immediately start the first mission and begin your epic journey through World War II. The Vanguard campaign plunges you into a gripping narrative set during World War II. You'll experience the conflict through the eyes of 4 distinct protagonists, each with their own compelling origin story. These heroes, representing different nations, eventually unite to form Task Force 1, a pivotal group fighting against a secret Nazi project. Prepare for an immersive and character-driven experience across various global fronts. To succeed in the Vanguard campaign, strategic gameplay is key. Always use cover effectively to avoid enemy fire and plan your attacks. Each of the 4 playable characters possesses unique skills, so learn to leverage them in different situations. Explore every corner of the maps. You might find valuable intel or collectibles. Remember to adjust your weapon choices to match the specific challenges of each mission. The Call of Duty Vanguard campaign offers a substantial experience, typically lasting between 6 and 8 hours across its 9 distinct missions. Upon successfully completing the entire story, you will unlock several in-game rewards, enhancing your overall game progression. For those seeking an even greater challenge, consider replaying missions on higher difficulty settings like Veteran or Realism to test your skills further.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.